Hello guys! Welcome to the 24th session of Blazor tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will learn how to use the key directive attribute to improve the performance of DOM changes. Here, I have already created a model class which has three properties, that is ID, first name and last name. Details view component which will get a person object from parameter and just display it in UI. Here is details page. It has a list of persons and loop through this person to display details. Now pass object in this parameter. Now we want to add new person details in the list when the user clicks on the button. So create its handler, add new person. We will add a new item on the first index. First name will be Mara and last name will be Gibson. Create a button. Add styling. On click execute, add new person. Save the file and run the project. Open the details page. Open Developers tool. Here is HTML DOM for those four components. Let's click on the button. You can notice that it has updated values for ID 2, 3 and 4 too. However, we just added fifth element, so it should only update this. Blazor by default handles DOM component by itself. In this scenario, it will re-render all elements after modified elements. So it has added fifth and updated second, third and fourth item. Now Blazor allows us to solve this issue by using the key directive attribute. It will define an algorithm which will preserve elements or components based on the keys. Let's add key directive attribute on person details component. It takes an object. I am passing the entire person object. Save the file and restart the project. Now refresh the page. Click on the button. Here you can notice that it just adds a new element only. So it does not re-render the other components. It will improve the performance of your application. Here we have added a new component. In the case when we will delete, it will just delete specific component. And in case of reordering, it will update the corresponding component only. Let's see what we have learned in this session. Key directive attribute minimizes the complexity for re-rendering and avoids potential issues with stateful parts of the DOM changing. There's a performance cost when diffing with add key. The performance cost is not that much large. For key directive attribute, we can pass the entire model instance like we have used a person, or you can use any unique values like ID. We do not need to always handle this. Blazor will maintain automatically, but it will re-render the component. Here is our example in which we have just used the key directive attribute and passed the model inside for each loop. I have just shown insert example, but it will also apply in case of delete or rearrange. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.